Oh, I just need to get up. I don't want to get up, and technically it's literally the first day of school, and I don't want to get up super. Oh my goodness, I hate this. Okay, yeah. Someone have to get up to get ready for school. Like, do I really have to get up? Like, do I actually have to get up at like 7 a.m. in the morning and get ready for school? Well, let me take the time. No, 6 a.m. Well, do I have to actually get up at 6 a.m. just to get ready for school? Like, well, I do still have to do like all of the things of the day, but I still don't want to have to wake up at 6 a.m. for the school. Like, why? I can't just school be like in the afternoon. Like, I would go to school if it was in the afternoon. Seriously. Or whatever, I still have to get up because my mom will be like, if you guys were wondering where my mom's been this whole time, she's like not in the videos, but she's not being in the videos like a lot. And yeah. And yeah, so I'm gonna get out of bed. So the first thing I need to do is make my bed. So yeah, I'm just gonna put everything on the floor. And let me just turn off this alarm because it's really annoying me and I hate it. Anyways, now let's make my bed. Let me just like change sheets, and I'm just gonna put my sleeping mask there, and then that, and then that. Oh my goodness. Anyways, now I'm just gonna go and into the bathtub and get ready for the day. Okay, so now I'm gonna get into the bathtub, so I'm gonna open the door and see if I have anything for the bath, any towel, anything. Okay, so I do have my towels in here. Let's just put this on. Okay, so now let's get into the bathtub. Okay, now let's get out of the bathtub. Okay, so I've got a lot of stuff to use, and the first thing I'm gonna use is a bit of my skincare, and since it's really getting really sunny, I'm gonna use this sunscreen, and then I'm gonna rub it in, and then we got this really cute strawberry flavored thing. I can't remember what I got for, so like, yeah. And then I've got this table. I've got this as well. And then I've also got this. I'm gonna grab one of these like things. I don't know what they're called, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna add this. And then we also got this flower skincare thing, and it's bubble. And I love it so much. I love it so much. And then we've also got this really soothing, like, cream. Like, it's so good. The next thing I need to do is brush my teeth. Let's get this out of my makeup bag, and now I'm gonna start brushing my teeth. Okay, I'm done brushing my teeth. Now I'm just gonna put this back. Okay, so next thing I need to do is my makeup, and I'm gonna put some mascara and everything on. And then I'm just gonna add like tiny bits of blush because, you know. And then I can't do nail, like, any nail art, like, on my nails in school, which is so annoying. Whatever. Let's put some blush on. Yeah. Okay, now I need to go and figure out the outfit I'm gonna be wearing, so let's take this with me and let's put it into this basket. Okay, now let's pick out what I'm gonna wear. Oh yeah, God, I can't pick out what I'm gonna wear. I need to wear my school uniform. But at least I'm wearing my spring one, which looks way better than my winter one. So yeah, let me get my spring outfit. Okay, I know this outfit looks a bit questionable on me, but this is my school outfit. It looks a bit baggy, but whatever. Anyways, I'm now gonna do my hair. I think my mom's making my breakfast, so I probably won't have any breakfast. But I'm not sure if she's going to work today, so I'll just... If she has, then I'll probably just have to make my own breakfast, which is annoying. Okay, now I'm gonna put my phone down. Okay, so now I need to brush my hair and everything. I just need to use these, like, eye drop things, and, like, this is, like, skincare, and I really want to use it because it's really good. And then I'm gonna bring this back, and now I'm gonna do my hair. So let's brush my hair. Oop, why don't I brush my hair? Sorry. Just my hair out. Okay, I'm done doing my hair. I think I'm actually going to put in some hair clips so it doesn't look like that boring. But these styling clips, they look so cute. And now I'm just going to put on some lip gloss. Okay, I look so cute right now. Now I'm going to go and check if my mom's at work, because if she's having no, it's just so annoying. I'm bringing them. We're in the kitchen right now. And you know, put my phone down because right now it's 7 a.m. and my school starts at 7:30, which means I have 30 minutes to get like all of this ready. So now I'm just gonna put my phone down and let's see what we have because my mom's at work because I don't see her. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna have some toast and I'm gonna have some yogurt with it. I'm gonna take this yogurt because it's my favorite yogurt. So yeah. Okay, so now I need to go and toast my toast. Okay, so now let's open this toast. And now let's cut it. And now I need to just put this yogurt, not this toast, in this toast now. And now let's grab a plate. So I'm gonna grab this plate, and I'm gonna grab this glass, and I'm gonna put my food in this, instead of this plate. I'm gonna put my yogurt on the side, and then my toast right here. And now let's eat. I'm gonna close off the pizza. Okay, now let's eat. Okay, so now let's eat. That was so good. Now I'm just gonna place this plate in the sink. Okay, now I'm just gonna take my phone and I'm going to go and pack my bag for my school. Okay, so let's put my stuff in my bag. Okay, so now I'm done packing my bag and I need to get going to my car. So let's be going to my car. Yo, technically you have to go to the bus. Okay guys, that's my end of my video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye!